Hello writers, in this video I will be going over how to submit a discussion board as well as how to reply to a peer. First you want to click on the title of the thread to open it. The title is always in a blue font. You want to locate the create thread on the top left of your screen. You have to first scroll through the instructions of the assignment to locate the message area. You first type out your discussion board title in the subject area. Then you type your response in the large message box. You have the option to browse files, to attach documents if you prefer to type your work elsewhere, like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Pages, etc. Then attach your work to the thread. Blackboard does not accept Pages or Google Docs version, so you will have to download your work as PDFs to be able to attach them. When you're ready, you can click Submit. If your submission looks like what is seen on the screen, then you know you submitted it. It should include when you submitted your work, the subject, and your name. In the image, you see 2 zeros and a 1. In the place of the zeros, highlighted in red, you will see the number of replies you have received in your thread. In the place of the 1, you will see the number of different people who have responded. You can click on the plus sign on the toolbar. It will open additional options. You can click on Insert Local Files to browse through your documents. You can attach as many documents as you need through this option. First, click on the title of your peer's post. It should be in blue font. This will open your peer's response. As you read through it, click on Reply to begin writing your response. The screen will look very similar to how it did when you wrote your post. The difference is that you can keep the same subject name, or you can change it to something like Crystal's response to Professor Basaldua. You can choose to type out your response or attach documents. Once you complete with your reply, click Submit. Your reply should appear right under the original post. The original will appear in a gray box and the replies will appear in a white box. You have successfully learned how to submit a discussion board and reply to a peer's discussion board. Until next time, bye.